Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, we're going to be speaking about loan to value. So how much money you can actually get for a diaspora mortgage in Ghana, how much deposit you need to put down, interest rates associated with getting a diaspora mortgage in Ghana, how to obtain one and everything in between. So if you haven't done so far already, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and let's get right into it. How much can you actually get with a diaspora mortgage? So depending on your affordability and your credit checks that the bank will do, you can get up to 80% loan to value on the property purchase. So i.e. you would have to put down 20% deposit and then the bank will finance the remaining 80%. Now this typically happens for properties in Accra. Outside of Accra, they tend to do 70%. So you put down 30% deposit and then the bank provides the remaining 70%. 80% in Accra, 70% outside of Accra. Now that is for Ghanaians, i.e. you've been able to demonstrate to the bank that you have Ghanaian heritage, parentage, or citizenship, right? So that's when you can get up to 80% loan to value. Now, if you are non-Ghanaian, you can get up to 50% loan to value. So with that said, again, it's totally dependent on your affordability, your credit checks, etc. But what that means is that as non-Ghanaians, you cannot demonstrate your citizenship, your parentage, or your heritage, you have to put down 50% deposit on the property and then the bank will finance the remaining 50%. Okay, now with the bank will of course give you all this information, but there's only a handful of banks that actually give the non-Ghanaians a diaspora mortgage. So for each option for both audiences, please do reach out to me. Again, my services are there to help you to connect to the right bank and broker that deal for you, to support you and handhold you through the process. So please do reach out to me. Get on the link below my details and we can have that conversation and take you forward if you're ready to take the next step. Interest rates. Okay, interest rates in Ghana. Right, this is where my South Londoners would say it's a bit techie, because interest rates for the diaspora mortgages are actually comparatively higher than what you and I might be used to when we get a mortgage in UK, USA, Europe, for example. The interest rates, depending on your affordability, your creditworthiness, etc., are somewhere between 11.5% and 14%. Yes, that is the interest rates. They are double digits. In the UK, we are used to single digit figures. Right now, time of me recording this, roughly between 5.69%, right? USA, roughly the same, 6%, 7%, sometimes less, right? Yes. Now, these interest rates are on the dollar or the pound. Depends on where you earn your. So this is where we get into it, right? It really depends fundamentally on where you actually work, right? The diaspora mortgage typically is denominated in the USD, right? If you are in the UK, there are some banks that will denominate it in the pound. Let me just simplify it that way, okay? So pounds, if you are in the UK and you earn in pounds for some banks, and for the rest of the world it's denominated in USD, right? And again, there is a number of requirements. There was various criteria that you have to be able to try and meet, and we're going to go into that. Guys, I do hope you found this video useful, and if you're interested in finding out more about getting a diaspora mortgage in Ghana, then please do reach out to me. You can leave a comment below if you found this video insightful as well, but I do have a number of other videos available, so please do go and check those out. You can also check out my ebooks, you can check out my toolkit, you can book a consultation with me. There's so many ways for you to get in touch and also use my services as well. Now, if you haven't done so far already, please do make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, and you share this video as well. But guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.